Want to schedule messages on WhatsApp? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to do it easily. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Now, tap on the Automation tab at the bottom, then Create New Automation. Next, choose time of day and set the exact time you want your WhatsApp message to be sent. Then tap Next. Now, tap on Create New Shortcut and search WhatsApp in the search actions. Once it appears, tap on it and select the Send Message option. Type the message you want to schedule and select the recipient you want to send it to. After that, tap on the tick icon at the top right corner. Next, tap on your automation and set it to run immediately. This will automatically send your scheduled message at the selected time without any notification. And that's it. Your WhatsApp message will now send automatically at your chosen time. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick WhatsApp tips.